Recently on AI News, our friend David Shaw told you all about the new Intel AI student courses. I'm Stephanie Essen, and in this episode of IDZ Weekly, you'll learn about some new additions to the curriculum. If you go to the AI Student Courses page on the Intel Developer Zone, you'll see free courses available. These lessons cover AI topics and explore tools and optimized libraries that take advantage of Intel processors in personal computers and server workstations. So what's new since last time? The additions are natural language processing, computer vision, and AI on the edge with computer vision. In natural language processing, you'll get an overview of how machines process and classify textual information over the span of an 8-week course. Additional topics include how to manipulate text for language models, text generation and topic modeling, and the basics of machine learning through more advanced concepts. Also for 8 weeks, in the computer vision track, you'll learn the techniques used to create computer vision applications with deep learning. By the end of this course, you'll know different techniques to process, transform, and classify images, how to apply deep learning to visual tasks, and important computer vision methods such as image segmentation and edge extraction. Finally, in the AI on the Edge with Computer Vision course, you'll learn how to use the Intel Movidius Neural Compute Stick for deep learning inference on edge devices. This will be a 6-week course that covers how to install and use the Intel Movidius Neural Compute SDK, the basics of deep learning vision applications and model topologies, and how to create computer vision applications in Python using Intel Movidius Neural Compute Stick devices. Check out the link provided to get started on your learning path. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next Monday.